So today I want to share with you Aunt Sylvia's sweet and sour meatballs. I love finding my recipes that I have originally written down, and I loved Aunt Sylvia's sweet and sour meatballs. It's an easy recipe to make, and everyone seems to like it. One thing I will tell you is that Aunt Sylvia always made this with either ground sirloin or chuck. I make it with ground turkey because I don't eat red meat. So we'll get started. First thing I'm going to do is put into a pot a bottle of ketchup. So I normally have a lot of extra sauce left over. I chose to use a little bit larger container of ketchup, and that is because it was on sale. So what Aunt Sylvia told me to do was add some water to the bottle and then shake it up. Okay, to that I am going to add a can of tomato sauce. If I forget to buy the tomato sauce, I have used tomato paste and added a little more water to it. Again, maybe this is because she was brought up during the Depression. She always tried to get every little bit from it, add a little water, and put it in. I'm gonna add a half a cup of brown sugar to the mixture, and I do have some extra sitting to the side. I like to taste it to see if it's sweet and sour tasting enough. And then I'm going to use the juice of 2 lemons. I like to squeeze my own lemon juice. So, juice of 2 lemons going in. That's it for the sauce. So I'm going to start stirring that and let that start simmering. And in case you haven't noticed, I really do like simple recipes, so that's all it is for the sauce. She said to use approximately 2.5 pounds of ground meat. Again, I'm using ground turkey. And when she gave me this recipe, she did tell me that she was not a recipe person. She just knew how to make it. So there you go. All of this is approximations. Okay, so next I'm going to add approximately 2 tablespoons of flour. I like to have extra standing by in case it doesn't feel sticky enough. I also have added breadcrumbs at some point, or Panko, so you do whatever you like to make it taste the way you like it. 1 egg. And this you just all mix together, and then I will add garlic powder and pepper. The other thing I'm going to add to this is 2 to 3 squirts of ketchup because Aunt Sylvia said to do it. What you do now is take these and form them into balls and then just put them into your sauce. Leave it on the stove on a low heat until they're fully cooked. My family loves these. They're always gone whenever I make them. And if they're not, someone wants to take them home. I hope you enjoy these, have fun making them. Super simple. Be sure and follow us on all the social media, including TikTok. And if you have a recipe you'd like to share with us, please email me. Love trying new recipes, and enjoy.